Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create appointment slots in Google Calendar. It's really simple and easy. So whether you're organizing meetings for work, scheduling client consultation, or simply trying to streamline your calendar, appointment slots are a fantastic feature that Google Calendar offers to help you manage your time effectively. First of all, you want to open your Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to calendar.google.com in your web browser. Once there, make sure you are signed in using your Google account. Now glance to the top left corner and you will see a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click that. After clicking Create, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Appointment Schedule. This option is specifically designed to help you carve out distinct appointment slots in your calendar for others to book with you. It's an efficient way to manage your availability and ensure that meetings don't overlap or consume more time than you intend. Next, it's time to enter the details of your appointment. Here you need to include a title for the appointment slots. This should be descriptive, indicating what the meeting or activity entails. Then set the duration of each appointment. For instance, if you want each slot to be 30 minutes long, you'd specify that here. Don't forget to pick the date and time range during which you are available for these appointments. These key details ensure your appointments are structured neatly within your schedule. Once you input all these details, click on Next. This brings you to a page where you have more customization options. Here you can optionally upload a photo, set a specific meeting location, and even write a brief description. It's a space for additional information that you might find useful, like meeting agendas or necessary preparations for attendees. After reviewing and adjusting any optional settings, click on Save and finalize your appointment schedule. Now what you've set up will be visible in your calendar grid. With your appointment schedule ready, you might want to share it with others. To do this, first click on the appointment schedule you have just created in your calendar grid. You will see a share button. Click on that. A prompt will appear allowing you to copy the link to your schedule. Simply copy link. This link is crucial as it's what you will be sharing with anyone who needs to book an appointment with you. Finally, paste this link wherever you need to share your appointment schedule, whether it will be in email and WhatsApp, in any messaging platform. And there you have it, your appointment slots are now ready. That's pretty much it for this video. That's how to create an appointment slots in Google Calendar. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.